Hello, welcome to another video. In this video we'll discuss about one point or one statement regarding array. We know that array is a type specific in nature, or we can say in Java arrays are powerful way to store fixed size sequence of elements of the same type. So here by the definition we know that array can store same type of elements in Java. So you can see that I have specified here type integer. So when you are typing or storing the values or element inside this particular array numbers, then you need to give all the data that should be integer. If you will try to change or insert something related not related to integer, then it will give you the error. So for example, here I am storing hello, which is string, not integer. Now if we'll try to compile it, it will give you error. So here you can see it is giving that error, incompatible types, a string cannot be converted to integer. So this way you cannot give. In the similar fashion, if you want to change the value inside here as well, it will be not possible. By the nature, the type of this array is string, but we are trying to save here one integer value. That is also a problem, or that is also a syntax error. If you try to compile it, you can see that integer cannot be converted to a string. So if you try to do this kind of operation, it will throw you the error. So from this particular video you can take a MCQ question, or in examination they can ask this type of question, that can I store this type of array, or this is a valid syntax or not, and you have to tell that this is not possible. If I'll try to do that, it will show you the incompatible type error. So that's why you have to remember the statement in Java. Arrays are way to store the fixed size sequence of the elements of the same type. So this is very much important. Another point is that it is a fixed size sequence. So what does it actually mean? So now as you can see, I can compile, and this time you will not get any kind of error. Now to prove this, what I can do, if I'll try to insert a value inside the fifth index. For example, here is the fifth index is here, and if we'll try to insert a value, integer value like 12 in the position in the fifth index, then it will give you some problem. As you can see, it is successfully compiled, but when you'll execute it, as you can see, it is showing some error that index 5 out of bound for the length 5. This type of runtime error you will get if you will try to insert, if you will exit the index number. Okay, so if you will try to insert it in the index position 2 or 3, if this time if you will compile and if you will try to run, it will not give any kind of error. So this is possible, but if you'll try to insert a value which is beyond the size of the array, then it will give you the error. Now I hope it's clear that why in Java array is fixed sized and the data should be same that you are going to store. So that's why the statement you have to remember, array is a type specific nature in Java, as well as it stores a fixed size sequence of element of the same type, or we can call it as a homogeneous element. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.